Posted on Craigslist has certainly got people talking. Is it fake or is it real? And it could have some life-changing effects. News Channel 5's Michael Baldwin joins us now with the details. Michael.
Chris, we haven't been able to interview the person who made the post to ask them if this is real or not, but experts we spoke with say even if the post is fake, it's a conversation that needs to be had with HIV exposure creeping back up in the county.
You may want to get yourself tested.
We showed a few people the unusual message left on Craigslist, and most of their reactions were like, "What?" The post is addressed to someone in Cleveland and reads in part, "We had sex behind the dumpster after Narcotics Anonymous. I don't remember your name. I went for an HIV test. It came back positive. I have no way of getting a hold of you. You may want to get tested."
Number one, don't go behind a dumpster with somebody that you don't know their name of.
Pretty sad that that's the way somebody has to hear that kind of news.
No matter how the message was delivered, the facts are clear. In Cuyahoga, 1 in 800 women are infected with HIV, while 1 in 200 men are doing the same.
In Cuyahoga County, there are approximately 4,700 people that are living with HIV or AIDS.
Dr. Barbara Gripshover of University Hospitals has been on the front lines for over 20 years. She said HIV in Cleveland is not primarily spread through drug use. She said it's through sex. So the next time you're at the bar, have a clear head.
I always want to reassure people that we have really great treatment now and you can live a long, full life.
Although some may take the message as unusual, pathetic, rude, or smart, whatever the side of the fence you stand on, some feel it's a good reminder for sexually active people to get tested.
If you are in care, that also decreases your chance to give the virus to someone else, and we can actually really end the HIV epidemic in our community.
Now, according to the Ohio Department of Health, last year there were over 200 new cases of HIV in Cuyahoga County, with 12 exposures being between the ages of 15 to 19 and 41 cases between the ages of 20 to 24, which was the largest group. Well, I have it on your side. I'm Michael Baldwin, News Channel 5.